forgot how to spell Jason.
Jason.
Okay, I got 2 strikes or a spare.
You got 1 strike and a spare.
Strike. How you do?
You gotta show me how you do it.
Spare?
Yeah.
1, 2 spare.
Remember, it's a spare is a line like that, slanted. Remember?
Like that?
Yeah, there you go. 2 spares. How you spell spare?
S-P-E-R.
S-P-R-E-R? No.
Oh.
Think about it. How you spell it?
A-R?
Whoa, there you go. What'd you just say?
A-R?
So what is it? A? Or what is it? S?
S-P-A-R?
And then what's after that?
Strike?
No, what's the last letter?
E?
So say it again. Say all of it all at once and rewrite it.
S-P-A-R.
And that spells what? Spare. All right.
And 1 what?
So how do you do a strike? How do you do a strike?
A strike?
Yeah. How do you put that down?
T-R-I-K? No. Yeah.
Are you sure?
No. Yeah.
You sure about that? It's not a C instead of a K, or is it what is it?
It's C.
Actually, it's not though.
It's a CK. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna.
No cheating. Come on, think about it. Talk to me. What's going on? S-T. What else?
E?
No, you don't know?
No.
So S-T. So S-T-R-I-K.
K.
And then what's after the end? KC? No.
No, K-E.
K-E. There you go. So write it down. S-T-R-I-K-E. Strike. There you go. Love it. Alright, so do you remember how do you do division? Do you remember what I taught you?
Yeah.
How do you do division?
It's just the same as times.
And why is that?
Because you just add the number that you time. Wait, no. Because you put the numbers of time, whichever one, and then you just times it, and then you got the answer.
You sure? So division, you're still using dividing. You're still dividing a number into a number. Does that sound correct? That didn't? No? You sure? No, that is correct. So if you're dividing, it's the same as timesing a number. It's the exact same thing. So show me how you do 5 divided by 5.
I don't know how to do it like that.
No, that's the point. So you go like this. 5 like that, divided by. You see that line?
Yeah.
So that's times, right? So if this is, so wait, hold on. So 25 is a number, right?
Yeah.
So you're dividing that number, right? So how would you get that number if you're dividing it? Don't give me the answer, but what's the phrase of it? What's the word? How would you get that?
By times it.
Wow, that's good stuff. Where'd you learn that at? You sure about that? So for you to times, well, how do you get 25 if you're dividing 5 into 25? How would you get that answer? 5 into 25 by dividing it. You forgot already? Come on now. Golden boy, let's get it. Talk to me, let's go. How you get that number?
By times, what, 5 times 25?
No. This is how you would get it. Since you're dividing that, remember you're timesing it. You're still going to be using your timetables. You know your timetables, right? So why can't you do 5 divided by 25? It's the same thing. You're just getting confused because it's saying divided by, but you're still timesing it. So what makes 25 from 5? How would you get that? You forgot already? Turn it around. So 5 divided by 25, how would you get that answer? What is the answer?
The answer?
Mm-hmm. You know your timetables, right? Stay focused. What are you looking at? What's 5 divided by 25?
100.
Where do you get 100 at? So you forgot. So you're using your timetables. What's 5 times 5? What's 5 times 5?
25.
So then why can't you divide that? You just did it right now, but you're saying you couldn't do it. So what's 5 times 5?
25.
So what's the answer?
5?
No, it's not.
5.
5. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. So concentrate. So what's 5 divided by 25? So how did you get that answer? By timesing 5, right? So how do you do it from the start? Let's say, show me 2 divided by 4.
In what?
Write it down.
Time?
Write it down. What is 2 divided by 5 or 4? Do the yeah. Go, okay, there you go.
Divided by what?
4.
4?
4. So how would you get that number if you're dividing 2 into 4?
Times in 2?
And what's that?
What?
What does that mean?
The answer?
Yeah, what is the answer?
8.
Where you get 8 at?
2.
You're doing your timetables, remember that. So 2 times what equals 4?
2.
So what's the answer?
2.
You just did division, but you say you didn't know how to do it. How's that possible? How's that possible? So what's let's say 5 divided by 10. What is that? Write it down. Nope, that was wrong. Redo it. Just redo it right here. How do you do that? There you go.
By what?
By 10. So what's the answer?
5.
What's 5 divided by 10?
5.
Where do you get that at?
5 divided by 10?
Yeah. What's the answer?
10. It is 5.
Where you get 5? How does 5 divided by 5 equal 10? You just did that over here. So how does that equal 10?
5. You times in 5?
How are you times in 5? So what if you're dividing 5 into 10, what's the answer? Why you keep laughing? This isn't funny. If you start flunking, this isn't funny. This is school right now. What is 5 divided by 10? So you don't know your timetables anymore either? What makes 10? Where you get 5 at? It's 2. 5 times 2 is 10, right? So 5 times 5 is 25. So where you get 5 at to get 10? How does that make sense, son? Like seriously, why you smiling? Like this is serious right now. Everything's not a game. That's what I'm saying. You can't be falling behind. I want you to succeed every day, better than me. All right. So what's 5 divided by 10? Where'd you get 2 at? You don't know. Why don't you know? You should know. You just did timetables. So what times did you get that? I'm serious. What 5 divided by 10? What is the answer? How'd you forget if you just answered it? How'd you forget? You don't know? So what makes 10 in a times table? What would you times 5 times what to get 10? 2? Alright then, so what's the answer? 2. So where would you put the 2 at?
Right there.
Nope, that's wrong.
Where?
Rewrite it. 5 divided by 10. Nope, that's wrong again. Don't erase it, rewrite it. So 5 divided by, gotta extend that. Okay, so what times what equals 10? So where would you put the 2 at? You would put it at the top, son. So put 2 there. Now put 10 right there. Now put a line over it at the bottom. No, under it. So you go like this. 5 times 10 is 2. So 5 times 2 is 10. Cross that out, 0. This is your answer right there. Right? So write this one down. So what's 5 divided by 5? No, just rewrite it. Move over. What's 5 divided by... No. Rewrite it. What's 5 divided by 25?
5 divided by 25.
Yes.
Oh, 5.
So where would you put the 5 at? Okay, and then what would you do after that? And then what? What after that?
0.
And then put the 0 down. There you go, son. Let's get it. But you say you didn't know how to do division, right? So you're kind of learning it, right? So division is the same thing as timesing something into a number. But you got your times tables, right?